What's up, everybody? Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over Beeruscat token. Now this token just finished their pre-sale recently on pigsale.finance. They did very well. We're going to go over the information on this token and where you can get it in just 1 second. Before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Let's get into this token here. Beeruscat. So it says the Beeruscat team come from the United States, and they are a strong docs team. The team has done a great job in the past with their last project and has achieved a 15x. Expect them to achieve new success on the Beeruscat meme token. Unique Beeruscat meme token, the only Dragon Ball authorized NFT with full circulation tokens, Dragon Ball NFT platform circulation token, Dragon Ball exchange platform circulation token, no reserve tokens. They do have a full audit on Pink Sale here. They were audited by Kraken Tech Audit, and you can view the PDF of that. They also have an official webpage, Twitter, Telegram, Facebook, GitHub, Instagram, Discord, and Reddit, and a little embedded YouTube video that you could watch on Pink Sale. So they had a whitelist only pre-sale with a total of 332 investors contributing in the pre-sale. Soft cap was set at 240 BNB. Hard cap was 480 BNB, and they completely sold out 480 BNB worth of tokens. Name of the token is Beeruscat. Ticker symbol is Bcat. 9 decimal places on this token here. Total supply of this token is an insane amount of tokens, so that is million, billion, trillion, quadrillion. It's like whatever's after quintillion, 100,000 of them. I'm sure they're going to say on the webpage here. That's an unreal amount of tokens. I don't even know the name of that amount of tokens. It's like more zeros than you could count there. It says there's also a quick audit by Analytics Audit. There's one warning on it that you guys should be aware of. So it says at the beginning here, these are the good things. It says no mint function found. Owner cannot mint new tokens after initial deployment. Owner cannot change buy and sell fees to over 11%. Owner can't set max transaction amount. Owner can't change trading status, but here's the warning here. It says owner can set a blacklist, so just be aware of that. Now, token metrics pie chart here, it says 62.1% of the tokens go to pre-sale, 36.5% of the tokens go to liquidity, and 1.2% of the tokens are unlocked. And there's just the tiniest little sliver of tokens that get burnt. I can't even click on it. And so this will be going over to PancakeSwap shortly after the pre-sale is over. So it might be up there now, now that the pre-sale has been over a couple days. And liquidity is going to be locked for 6 months on PancakeSwap. So if you go over to beeruscat.tech, that's where you're going to find all the information. You can find a full white paper over there as well. Roadmap, tokenomics, all that type of stuff. So Beerus, the god of destruction, is a fictional character in the Dragon Ball franchise created by Akira Toriyama. Beerus has a very high popularity and is widely welcomed by the market. Therefore, Beeruscat, as a fan token of Beerus, will promote and spread Dragon Ball Z culture. The development of Beerus's character first started sometime in 2011. His name and voice actors, along with the film's poster, were officially revealed in December 2012 in a weekly Shonen Jump first issue of 2013. Beerus, the God of Destruction, voiced by Koichi Yamadera, The film's poster displays Super Saiyan Goku combating the god of destruction Beerus, with his floating showered in light, with floating showered in light in the background. The character was in the initial draft of the Battle of Gods. Through Teriyama notes, Beerus was changed completely despite his liking of the concept. Okay, a little background story there. Now, let's see here. It goes over the impact of Dragon Ball Z on their white paper, how popular they are, the main characters. Alright, so the roadmap's on here, starting with, they're going to have CoinGecko CoinMarketCap listing. It says 6 hours after launching the token. Banner ads, DEX and AVE trending, billboards, Dragon Ball cooperation, and then a medium raid. And then we got phase 2 is going to be buyback and burn, influencer support, 100,000 holders, Dragon Ball NFT, Beerus staking and mining, Beeruscat swap. And then phase 3 is going to be mainstream exchanges like MEXC Global. So if you don't have an MEXC Global account and you want to get this token later on MEXC, I do have an MEXC referral code down there in the description. You're welcome to use that if you like. Then we got CA business license, NFT market. They're going to have their own marketplace, Dragon Ball themed panel, Dragon Ball GameFi, Dragon Ball Metaverse. So total supply of this token, again, is it looks like, I mean, I wish they'd say the name of it. It's like an insane number. I don't even, what is after quintillion? Does anybody know? And for some reason it has a different number here on their white paper than it does on Pink Sale. So now I don't know which one's correct too. So confusing. So if you're going to buy this off Pancake Swap, you are going to have to set slippage somewhere around 8 because there's an 8% tax. 1% goes to dividends, 1% burn, 2% buyback, 2% marketing, and 2% Dragon Ball IP. And yeah, so it says 62.5% all tokens circulate with liquidity are pre-reserved or pre-burnt, and then yeah, and that seems to be basically all the info that they have on their white paper. White paper is about 7 pages long. You can go check it out. It's linked on their website, which is beeruscat.tech. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. You all have a great day out there. Peace out.